Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Danialjefri, and today I will be doing lab 1 for the subject SCSR 3223 High Performance and Parallel Computing. For my lab 1, I'll be using Ubuntu. The versions that I'm currently using is 20.04. I will be showing you how to create files and create file, compile it, build it, and display the output. So to create files, I'll be using terminal, which is over here. If it's not here, you can find it under applications. So we should open up our terminal first. So this is my terminal for Ubuntu. So there are several different commands that we can use to create files. But before that, we should know where we are in terms of the directory. To do that, we can use the command pwd, where it gives you the current location or the current directory, which in my case is home/Daniel. And we can see all the directories under there by using the command ls. So that's all the folders or files that is under my home. So now if you want to go to a specific page or directory, we can use the command cd. For example, if I want to go to desktop, we can use cd and the name desktop. And we can see that it changes from just a squiggly line, it has /desktop as well. And to be sure that we are in that specific directory, we can use pwd again, and it should show Daniel/desktop. Okay, now we will be creating a file, and I usually create my files by using the command sudo nano. And with the file name, for example, we can say testing2.c. I will be using C language, but if you want to use C++, you can just .cc. Then you will have to enter your password if you have a password enabled. So we just enter our password. Obviously it's a password, so we won't be able to see what we type, but if we typed it correctly, we should go in to the GUN nano. So this is where we would create our where we would add our code in. So I have created a brief code, a simple one. So this is the simple code I just typed. So now to save, we can just press Ctrl S, or we can just press Ctrl X, and it will save it and exit from the page and go back to the terminal. Now if you want to see the file again, to see it, to recheck it or modify it again, we can use the command sudo get it and the file name, which is test2.c, and it should bring back up the code, and we can see all of the file. Now we want to first compile it, the test.2, and build it. So to do that, we can use the command sudo gcc. GCC here is for C language, and if it's C++, we use G++, and then we use -c and the file name, so test2.c. So that's for compiling it. Now if we want to see it, we can see in our desktop where test2 has been compiled. Now we just have to build it, and this is using a somewhat similar sudo gcc or g++ -o, and we have to give a name for the file. You can just say t2 test2, the file name .c. There you go, it has been successfully built, as we can see on the desktop. And if you want to see the output of the program, you can just type in sudo / the name of the actual file, so t2. There you go. It displays the command that of the the print command. So hello, my name is Daniel. For MPI, it has a slightly different way of building the file, and also there's an additional line in the code. So I have already created a sample file called MPI2. Alright, so this is the example. This is where the additional line is. So in line 2, there's include mpi.h. So this is the header that we have to add. So this is a simple code, whereas we can see that we have MPI in it. It's just an MPI initialize, and also we have the shutdown, which is finalize. We also have com size and com rank. Com size just determine the number of processes in the current computation, and the rank just indicate the rank of the process that is called from the size. If you go back to terminal, so over here, now to build this, the code is MPI-C minus the file name, we m2, let's just say m2 mpi2.c. okay, we have, we can see it's been built onto the desktop. And now to see the output, we just say sudo /m2.